Bienvenidos a Panama!
We're Jenna and Jeremy.
After 14 months of RV life, we sold the RV and booked a one-way flight to travel the world.
Follow our adventures as we explore more of our incredible planet Earth.
Don't forget to press that subscribe button and turn on post notifications for weekly travel videos.
You can find us on Instagram and TikTok. Quench your adventure. Now on to the good stuff.
What's up, everybody? In the last video, we got to explore the mountains of Anton Valley with our family before seeing them off and continuing our journey across the country of Panama. We took about an 8-hour bus ride from Panama City to David. Then we took an Uber about 45 minutes up to Boquete so we could make it in time for Jenna to teach her online classes. We stayed in this converted shipping container that we found on Airbnb. Boquete is a small town with around 25,000 residents, and around 5,000 of them are actually expats. The town sits just over 3,700 feet, which makes it much cooler than the rest of the country. And in Fahrenheit, the temperature ranges from around the high 50s to mid 70s, pretty much year round, which is such a nice contrast from the rest of this hot country.
All right, let's take a look at the inside of our shipping container Airbnb here in Boquete, Panama.
First time for everything, so we got some slider doors and curtains, a nice desk area for me to work at, a small little drink station, so there's no kitchen, no cooking. It looks like we're going out to eat.
Nice.
Some of the art and really pretty artists in town did that. We got a nice queen size bed, a ceiling fan, light, and these like barn style doors to the bathroom.
That's
Kinda
funny.
funky. Really big and clean and white and airy.
Nice.
Fan in the bathroom.
We just walked in, so this
And then
is our
show the
first look.
cool view.
Very cool.
There's just a little bit of noise from the chickens and roosters.
Hopefully that's not too bad, man. Beautiful here, and there's a nice breeze, and it's cool. Down by the coast, only about an hour away, it is 87 degrees. Here it is 72. Look at the view. It's awesome. Beautiful mountains, and the highest point in Panama is somewhere back here. What's up, guys? Good morning. I'm here in Boquete, Panama. I figured I would recap what just happened. So my intent for today is to go for a nice hike because we haven't really gotten out much here in Boquete. I kind of wanted to go for a long hike, so Jenna decided to hang back. She's not a fan of the longer hikes, which is cool. So to get here, I think I maybe could have taken a bus part of the way. I'm sure I could have gotten in a taxi and it probably would have only been a few bucks, but I decided to try to hitchhike because we talked to a couple that hitchhiked down from their volcano hike the other day. So I was walking for, I don't know, started in town, I think a little over a mile at least, really. And I was, putting my thumb out, and this is such an interesting start to this trail. And no one really stopped. I got a couple like waves of maybe confusion from what looked like little like tour bus type things, maybe suggesting like, we need money, we're not just gonna pick you up for free. This is super interesting, makes me feel like I'm on the wrong trail or something. Really cool though. But anyway, finally a nice lady stopped. She's from Panama City, lives here in Boquete now, and I offered her $1 before I even got in the car. She declined it, and I offered again at the end, and she declined it. But yeah, very nice. Had a nice conversation, and in total it was about a 3-mile journey. I got a ride for about 2 of those miles, so very thankful. And I'm along this super interesting trail right now. Wow, there's people that live all along it. Mostly seem to be totally off the grid huts. Really super interesting. Hola. Oh, cute little girl over there. I'm gonna check my phone here in a second to make sure I'm actually along the trail, but yeah, pretty interesting so far. Chickens just all around. I think I'm a little over a mile into this, and on this rugged road, a truck drove up. Trail also forks here. All trails seems to think that they'll meet up in maybe a quarter mile. I'm gonna take what looks to be the more rugged trail on the left. I saw that guy on horseback earlier. I haven't seen him again. Like, is he up here? Because this trail is pretty tight. Pretty sure when I spoke to him, he said arriba, which is top. I'm using the GoPro right now, so I know this looks kind of far, but that house, I just walked up a really rugged trail. Like, are people living over there, and how'd they get the stuff there? Just, I don't know, but very interesting. All right, I think I've climbed around 1,600 feet over the last 2 miles. I have less than half a mile, still about 400 feet to climb. It's definitely an interesting trail. Man, it'd be cool to see a quetzal. I think this is one of the better areas of Panama to see one. Dark in this spot, and like being in a canyon, definitely different than I've hiked before. And that looks like, yeah, horse prints. So I did just see 3 other people, 2 people from the States actually, and what seemed to be their guide with them. But man, I've only seen a few on this trail, and it is very rugged. Main trail, this little offshoot, looks like it's gonna be a big view. Dang, we're up here. It's hard to tell, but I think is that Boquete? I've climbed 6 or 7 routes maybe on, I think it's called Los Padrillos here in Boquete, Panama. I haven't climbed in a few months, so I got a blister, and I think I'll do one more before I'll call it quits. But beautiful rock, beautiful day, a little warm, maybe 78 degrees, I don't know. The rock definitely warms up a little bit because it's exposed all day, but really nice people and fun climbing here. Listos, amigos?
Let me show my tattoos.
Oh yeah, there you go. Get the tattoo. 1, 2, 3. Bienvenidos a Panama!
Thanks for watching, everybody. Please don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and make sure you've hit that subscribe button and turned on post notifications for more weekly travel videos. See ya!